Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita here. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about all these Swish Beauty HD matte lipsticks, and I'm going to talk about the formulation, to the packaging, to the color range and everything. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Swish Beauty is actually the fastest growing makeup brand in India, and they offer amazing product range, that too in affordable price range. That's why they are extremely popular among the youth. They have not only lipsticks, but they also have various different other products that you guys can definitely go ahead and check out. They have few bestsellers. For example, their eyeshadow palettes are very popular. So now, without wasting much of our time, let's talk about the formulation of the product. So as you guys can see, they have 24 different shades in this HD matte lipsticks. So the color range is amazing, and they have gorgeous reds to pinks to nudes to browns, and they look absolutely gorgeous if you are going for some party, or you can try out this pinks during your daytime for office or college. So let me talk about the color range. Now, talking about the color shade, let me show you the different variations of colors that you actually get in the packaging. So this is a very gorgeous brown, and other than that, they have quite pigmented reds, and the reds are also very different tones from each other. So there are multiple reds that they have, and you can choose one according to your skin type. So this is how the red looks like. And now I'm going to swatch this brown color. So this is the variation in the range. They come in this very gorgeous color range, so you will definitely get one or the other color according to your skin tone or undertone in this range. So please do check out all the lipstick shades before you pick one for yourself. This is how the lipsticks look like. They come in this premium packaging. The packaging looks absolutely gorgeous. They come with bullet tip, so you can just do this, and this is how the lipstick will get closed, and this makes the packaging extraordinarily fancy and classy. And now coming to the formulation, I'm going to give you guys a very quick swatch to show you how pigmented these lipsticks are. This is how pretty the colors are, mostly in all of the lipsticks, and just in a single swatch, this is how much you get in terms of pigmentation. And just look at this. These are extremely pigmented, very buttery and soft. They are not at all drying on lips. And if we talk about the packaging, you can just see the color and the name and all the details of this particular lipstick down here. And not only that, all these lipsticks come with this sort of color grading, which actually makes it very interesting, because you don't have to open up the lipstick to check the color. You can just directly look at the shade here. Because of this ombre effect, it's very easy to identify which lipstick shade it is. By chance, if you own multiple lipsticks from this entire range, it is going to make the entire process of selecting the lipstick very much convenient. Whenever we talk about any product, we always talk about the price point, and talking about the price point, they are extremely affordable. You get a single lipstick for $2.99. It's very interesting because the quality of the product is exactly like any other high-end lipstick that I have tried, but the price range is amazing. So if you are in college, or if you want something that you can use for day-to-day life or for office, you can definitely get your hands on this. Now I will swatch all these 24 shades on my lips. So here we go. These lipsticks look amazing in person, so you can go ahead and get your hands on this. You will definitely find something or the other for your skin tone and the undertone, because they actually complement all Indian skin tones and undertones. So please go ahead, check out the description box below. I have provided a link where you can find this and you can get your hands on this. So that's it for today's video. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.